Hello, everybody. So, this is my farm at year 9. As you can see, I have all the friendships maximized, all the skills maxed, have all the masteries, have all the achievements, and yep. So this is the kitchen, this is the living room, dining room, general room, I guess. Here's Lizzie's room, an extra room, I guess. Another dining room. Um, a couple of fish tanks. Another bedroom. A piano. And, this room. And I have this little wing decorated, very cutesy, with plants and stuff. And I have pretty much every building, I think. I don't have the well because I never really needed it, but I have this pretty cool shed that I have like brines for wine, and pretty much everything has flooring. I have this right here. Here's where I keep all my materials. Um, and here's where I keep all the gems, or I don't know what these are. Artifact. I don't know where it comes out of the geodes. I keep them there. And I have the totems here. I have a tree, mushroom tree, and I decided to go with the mushroom cave. That's not ready yet. There's a greenhouse, trees, and the ancient fruit. I have these pigs and stuff, or ostriches, I call. I've been playing this for a long time. It's literally the only game I play. Um, oh yeah, I just realized like yesterday you can put a bow on your dogs, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna go get more bows for them. And these guys have a lot of kids now. Um, and yeah, that's my farm. I'm gonna go get some bows. I should have drank that coffee. I'm so slow. I keep on seeing these like bunnies, and I'm wondering if I can capture them or something. Uh, delicate bow. Trophy. I don't know what this is, but we'll get it. It's like 1,000 coins. Watermelon band. Is it fun? Polka bow. That's funny. Oh my god, chicken mask. I'm totally getting this. Junimo hat. Nice. Blue ribbon. Oh my god, white bow. This is so cute. Oh yeah, turban. I don't know. It's 5,000. Let me see my chicken map. I love that. Oh my god. I love it. If it was blue, that would be goals right now. That would be little goals to have a blue chicken map. What am I doing? Let's just do this. Every time I travel on my horse, I feel so bad for him, and I just have to recall him to the farm because I feel like I'm abandoning him if I just use the um, return thingy. So I'm collecting these. Okay. And I'm gonna go find my dogs and put a bow on them. Can I put bows on my chickens? No. Let me go to my dogs. Here it is. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, I love that. I kinda wanna get more pets now to put bows on them. Um, this one's pretty cute too. Let me see. Yeah, give me the chicken. That one's cute. Um, yeah, I don't know about these tiny ones. I can't see them very well. Oh my god, that's cute. But I like the red one better than you. Can you put... There you go. I think he has to be moving so that you can... I think the dog has to be moving so that you put the thing, the bow on him. Yep, that's what needs to happen. Alright, I'm gonna go home, store these bows in my dresser, and then I'm gonna head out and collect all the stuff that are ready around my farm. So, what do I need to collect? Let's go to a machine. So, I need to do the greenhouse and go into the sheds for the machines that are ready. It says that there are 7 forage items. I can never find them, like all of them, so I'll just do whatever I can. See, I can't even reach that battery. I'll just do these for now. I did not care about trees until I had just a few for the recipes before, but I did not care about trees until I got into the Key, I don't know how to pronounce that. The Key challenge where you have to ship like 100,000 coins of 100,000 things cooked. Cause there's this banana recipe where you cook it and it's worth a lot of money. And also this one, the coconut pineapple one. So But I don't have like I have like coconuts and pineapples, but like I don't have a lot of peppers all the time. So that one's a little challenging. Just gonna bring this in as well. I have one of these. Oh, I forgot I had these. What else? That's it. That's all I can. Okay. Let's see. Okay. You hear some steps on the floor. That's my dog walking into the room. Hey, wanna go up? Go on the bed. Up? No. He has his own agenda for the day. He doesn't obey any humans. Okay, so here's where I put my rhubarbs. Um, Hold on, my dog's being weird. I don't know what he's doing. So I'm gonna put these in the chest that they go. These are all the forageables. I think there are a few that I don't have in here, but for the most part they're in there. And then I put the ancient fruit in here because I use it for wine. So I'll just use these. I'm gonna need a few of those. I realize I'm wasting space by not having barrels here on the sides the other day, but honestly I don't care anymore because I think I reached perfection in the game, and so I like literally don't need any more money. I just do it for just for doing it 'cause it's kind of relaxing. Uh, yeah, my goal is now to get the coin or gold counter up to the max, so all nines in here, and I want to see how long that takes. Oh, I need more. We'll see how long that takes. I think it's gonna take me like another 10 years, maybe. I don't know. Oops. Uh, and so it's what day is it today? 25. I can't plant anything and harvest it on time anymore, so I'm gonna just not do that. Just wait until all the crops are done. I'm gonna just add all these, and I'm gonna go to the other shed because I think the wine barrels are ready for these. Yeah. Yeah, like here I have on the edges the wine barrels that I didn't have on the other shed, which seems fine, but it is a waste of space. These are kind of annoying though, having to reach the edges like this. I might just let all these be ready to harvest next time. But the chicken mask is amazing. I love it. Today's Thursday. Oh, the bookseller. I hope he's still there. Uh, okay. I should have had that coffee. So slow. I could have also taken the train there, but I'm lazy. Just gonna ride the horse. This guy. Stuffing. Sea jelly. Sure, I don't have a lot of those. Ooh, these are nice. What else you got? That looks bait. Looks like kinda dumb. I don't know. I guess. Coal. Wood. At this point, I'll just trade everything because I don't need these books. There you go. Fairy dust. Oh, nice. It gave me 8 fairy dust. This one. And seems like they don't have anything for this. And then I already have all these books. You can see here. It should be fine. I'll just go home like this. And I like to recall my horse. It makes me feel guilty if I abandon him. Alright, so put this here. This outside, this go in the house. I mean, I just recently learned too that these can go in here. I think it gives you wood. And the ancient fruit. So I put this in here. There you go. I'm storing these here. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me. Now I'm gonna go home and store the dishes in this chest. Keep all the possible giftable stuff here. I don't know what to do with these anymore. These are interesting. I tried giving them to people and they don't want it. Alright, well, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.